In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your Substack posts with a quick and simple tutorial. Substack is a fantastic platform for building a dedicated audience for your written work, and adding tags to your posts can really help in organizing content and improving discoverability. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to your Substack homepage. If you're already signed in, you should see your dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Posts. Give that a click and you'll be taken to a new page that holds all of your published content. Once you're in the Posts section, your next step is to click on the Published tab. This is where you'll find a list of all the posts you've already put out into the world. After you've located a post that you want to add tags to, search for the three little dots next to the post title, click those and a drop down menu should appear. From this menu, select Edit Post. This will open up the editing interface for that particular post. Now you're almost ready to start tagging, but first you'll need to scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the settings panel where you can add tags. Once you're in the settings, look for where it says Add Tags and click on it. This is your canvas for adding relevant tags to your post. Tags can help categorize your posts, making it easier for readers to find similar content. When adding tags, think about keywords or phrases that capture the essence of your piece. Add as many relevant tags as you think necessary, but remember, concise is usually better. Once you're satisfied with your tags, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see an X button. Click on that to exit out of the tag settings. This action won't erase your tags, it just takes you back to the main editing view. Now you have an opportunity to review your post one last time. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the update option to save your changes. But wait, there's one final step. You'll see a button that says update now, click that, and your changes will be live. Your post now has tags associated with it, making it more organized and potentially easier for readers to find. And there you have it, a simple way to add tags to your Substack posts, enhancing the visibility and organization of your content. Tagging is a small detail but can make a significant impact. Thanks for watching and happy creating.